LOF, TPMS, how do they go together? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is brought to you by Standard, manufacturer and distributor of engine management components, now in our 100th year. Visit standardbrand.com for more information.
The LOF or oil change is probably your most common service at your shop, and you're always struggling to bring more profit into that equation. I've got one way to do that. It's called TPMS. Anytime a vehicle comes to your shop that has TPMS, you need to be checking the sensors. So, as part of your oil change procedure, when the technician pulls it into the bay, make sure that they're looking at the dash to make sure that the TPMS light is functioning and that it goes out. If it doesn't, well, further diagnostics should be done. Also, when the vehicle is up in the air and you're draining the oil, go around with a dedicated TPMS tool to check the status of all 4 or 5 sensors depending on where the spare is on the vehicle. By doing this, you're creating opportunity for your shop to sell sensors, and it's also an educational moment for that customer where you can advise them that they may have a pending sensor replacement event coming up to where their vehicle may be 90 or 100,000 miles and those sensors are getting a little weak. And this is your educational opportunity and your opportunity to sell them on sensors. So, LOF and TPMS, they go together. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.